Good. Good. Hi.
Oh, he only shakes his head yet.
Good. Good. Hi, Oz. Yes. Hi. This is a big boy. Good. Good.
I think he just likes her glasses.
Yeah, you're right.
It's like her facial expression.
I can't see you now.
He's not interested anymore.
Good.
Like, who happened? Put back on the shiny thing.
Hi. You don't recognize me.
No.
I can't see you either. Hi.
What a weird grandma.
Oh, now you can see much better. Yes, you can see yourself, right? Yeah, you can.
That's what he's seeing.
Yeah. Yeah. You're used to looking at yourself. Now you take so many pictures. You think you have a twin.